see how it works, the slap sound. Enjoy the whole out Darbuka. So basically slap. The first thing is you need to relax the wrist. At the same time, you keep this form of the knuckles with the fingers. So here it's tight, little bit tight. My thumb is close to the palm. So from doom, an open sound, to slap, I switch this move, making this with knuckles a little bit. So the hit, the stroke, is played with these fingertips, but focus in this side and never play inside with the slap. So doom, it's opposite, flat. Doom, flat. Slap, I make this and I relax the wrist. So this is a whip move kind of, so it's doom, relax, and then wave, but in this side, outside you. At the same time, I relax the wrist. My hand is prepared for the stroke. So, doom, I prepare, and then I let it be the stroke, the energy of the stroke from my elbow. And then grab and fix this side of the finger. So let's go. Doom, slap. Doom, slap. Doom, slap. Look at my shoulder. Doom. Relax, and then the elbow goes up. So think about a wave move. And relax the wrist. And obviously this sound, you can make it louder or just with a groove pattern. So it's closer, not so much, I don't tie. So try to get this sense with your fingertips. And whereas, yes, open sound, open slap. So what I make, I don't stay closing. Same, and I go outside quick. Relaxing a little bit my fingers outside. So imagine a pattern, for example, Maxum. Now it's Zek sound, okay? If you want to know Zek sound, check out my videos, I have one. So, boom, Zek, Zek, boom, Zek, boom, Zek, Zek, boom, Zek. Totally relaxed. Let's go slap. I tie the knuckles. So, here it's little space, okay? So,